All right, day 80. Nice cool morning. And we've had quite a climb up the hill, so I haven't videoed. But check this out. Somehow we're going up there. Or, oh, between the rocks. All right. I'm not climbing up that. All right. All right, so this is Roger's ramp. And it's really not skinny like the lemon squeeze, but it's just the thing you got to do. All right, well, the ramp wasn't too bad. All right. These are old blowdowns, but look at them, man. Woo! But so much climbing. Woo! Well, it works. String on the blaze. Yeah, so again, when your worlds collide, I hear race cars. It took me a while. I'm like, what's that? Why do those cars sound like? Oh, I am. I guess at some point I can actually get a view of the racetrack from the trail. I don't know. We'll see. That's cool. Been hiking for, I don't know, 5 miles, something. And yeah, it's been a really good day because it's cool. It's overcast, which I'm liking, and have a nice breeze. So yeah, that's the update. When worlds collide, I'm here on the Appalachian Trail. I might have mentioned it, I think I did, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about my my wife Andrea flying out to join us. So yeah, at one point she was going to hike the entire trail with us, but that plan kind of went to the side. But she's flying out in 5 days from now. So I think on the 6th, 7th, and 8th day from now, for 3 days, she'll be hiking the trail with us. Yeah, so that's going to be cool. Be good to see her again. It's been, I don't know how long it's been now, since since I was home. It's all running together now. Speaking of which, it's like funny when you think of things that happened down in North Carolina or Georgia, and it seemed like a lifetime ago. And heck, even Pennsylvania now starting to fade into like, it seems like a forever ago. It's weird being out here on the trail. It's different. Time seems to crawl. It's funny because it crawls when you're walking and you got, you know, miles to go and you're just slogging along. But yeah, but when you day by day, it just seems like it's flying. You know, like for example, that it's been 80 days since we started. That seems crazy. Going over the Housatonic River. All right, we had a quick lunch break. Had some Beyond vegan steak fried rice, which was pretty good, and finished off with a remaining bit of Kato ice cream. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. The second day, the afternoon's hike is going to be pretty short. I only got 2.5 miles to go. It was only a little over 3, and gonna look like a pretty easy hike too. Not much climbing, he says as he starts climbing. But yeah, great day. Very cool seeing Lime Rock Park, the racetrack. My wife and I were there to play with cars. I don't know, maybe over 10 years ago. It's the only time I've ever been around this area. And remember, there was some really cool waterfalls in a state park or something here that we hiked up to. And then the world's best hot chocolate was close by. That's all I remember. Connecticut. Walking on gently sloping ground with pine needles? Yes, please. This time we're walking on the other side of the Housatonic River. Oh, cool. Check this out. There's a trail here, and it's dedicated, I guess, to, it's wheelchair accessible. And it looks like it is. That's cool, huh? Okay, we walked out of the forest by the Housatonic, and now we're in a field next to this giant power station. On another road walk. Cool wall though. Look at the size of the stones in that. It's probably just me, but I find these stations kind of fascinating, the size of the transformers and the insulators. It's pretty cool. Of course, I've worked with high voltage in my career, so it's kind of cool. That's a cool bridge. We're at the top of the falls.